Hello, now we're going to go back to. I was pausing this video because, yeah, I don't want to break it. Oh man, it's a very big sticker, man. Oh shit. Well, there goes the back. The back of it. Come on. And there we go. Well, this is the inside. Wow, this. Oh shit! It's the meat. It's the. That's cool. Well, let's go to the inside. Back to the Future 1. Oh no, it's these. Holy shit! I got 3 copy codes of it. I'm going to put that a little bit away. All right, Back to the Future 1. Back to the Future 2. Oh, wait. 1. Back to the Future 3. And the Back to the Future bonus disc. That's awesome. Wait. There's cover art on it. If you don't see it, it's alright. Going to. Yeah, it's going to be very stupid right now. Holy shit, it is awesome! If you can tell. Oh, this is awesome! It has a back inside of the. Holy shit, that's awesome. Cool. We're going to put these discs inside again. You can always go to it scratching. Back to Future 2. Back to Future 1. 30th anniversary, guys. Well, thank you for watching, and yeah, see you guys later.